Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about how to pay with PayPal on Amazon. So first of all, you guys have to go in the Amazon section, and in here you want to look for the Iceland you want to buy. So you can see here I am into amazon.com. So for example, let's say that I want to buy this item, right? I want to add this to Payvit, and then what I want to do is go go into proceed the payment, which is actually this option. And then what's going to happen is going to be appearing all the payment methods account be available. So here we have our credit card. Here we have Amazon Money, but we can't use. And if you want to choose other methods, you can choose to here the plus option. And here it was supposed to pair the PayPal account, but it was unfortunately deleted or few reasons if you use earlier. So what I want to do, if I only have money using PayPal, what I can do is to buy a gift card, and after buy a gift card I can add it here into my gift card, right? And I can apply it to that. So what I want to do is so use another side like maybe Giffer, and here I can buy so much great gift cards. So let's say that I want to buy a gift card of Amazon and go into continue here. Let's say that I want to redeem like maybe I don't know, maybe $500 going to buy for myself. And what I can do is to pay this Amazon gift card using my PayPal account, right? So here I can see the total. I can go into continue as guest, and here I can choose the payment method. I can choose PayPal, and after you make the payment we do gift card, it's gonna be showing you a transaction number which you can provide here. And after you provide that to apply, now you can make the process of the payment. So there you have it, guys. Actually that's very easy. So that's how we can use our PayPal account to pay here into Amazon account. So if this video helped you out, let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.